Morning all, it's Saturday morning and I've just woken up and feeling a little bit worse for wear. First thing I thought of was a cheese omelette. Now, they're easy to make, perfect start to the day, so let me show you how I make them. Okay, so we are going to whisk up 2 eggs today. Pop the eggs into a bowl. And then give them a good whisk around. I'm not going to use any milk or cream. What's good is, eggs are great. They're full of protein and vitamins. So it makes for a healthy option. Try and get as much air into it. And that'll make the omelettes nice and fluffy. Pop a little bit of pepper in. Add a bit of oil. Right, warm up the pan. Want the pan nice and hot. Put a bit of butter in. The butter has melted down nicely. I've turned the heat down so it's not so hot, and then add the egg. Now I'm going to leave it for 30 seconds just to start to congeal. Don't really want to play with it just yet. Now it's started to solidify, so I'm going to try and work around the edges so that all of the liquid egg on top starts to cook. Going to make sure that it's not sticking around the edge. And as I put the butter and a little bit of oil in, the actual egg should move fairly freely once you've just made sure that the sides aren't sticking. I always use a non-stick pan just to help that and to make sure that the egg doesn't stick. Now, while it's coming together nicely, I'm going to add a little bit of cheese on one side. You can add as much as you like. We're doing a basic cheese omelette today. Obviously, this is the point where you could actually add mushrooms, some onions. The heat is still fairly low. But as you can see from turning it over, it's not burnt on the underside, and that's due to having the heat on fairly low. Leave it for a few more seconds just so that the cheese starts to melt nicely. away. So there you have it, quick and easy cheese omelette. What a great start to the day, and it tastes amazing. Thanks for watching, please subscribe and look out for more videos coming soon.